this is my high school. But yeah, we call this normal everyday bread. Here's the baseball field.
Wow, they have so many cakes and donuts and cookies. It just doesn't end.
Okay, we just stopped at Stratford Academy here in Macon. This is my high school. I'm bringing Petra here for the very first time. What are your first thoughts?
It looks huge.
She's pretty wowed by this football stadium that we just looked at. It's right here behind me.
Oh, the name is right.
And the name's up here. We'll show you in a second. But there's the whole concession stand, all the stands where people sit, the whole football field, and then the visitors' football field is over there. I used to run cross country around through these woods back here. But anyways, yeah, we just parked and we're walking through memory lane, kind of. We drove a bit through the school, the first part of the school, and around the softball field. We'll be back here at some point just to show you a bit more of the high school. Come this way, come this way. So this is the stadium here. This is the concessions. And then down there is the workout gym. This is like the little kids school. There's a football practice field over there. And this is my high school, Stratford Eagles. So the Stratford Academy is what the high school is called. But yeah, this is it. A lot of memories here. A lot of memories here. So what do you think?
It's crazy because you have a lot of memories here.
Yeah, it's probably weird for you to see this, huh?
Mm-hmm. It is, but it's nice. It
It
looks a bit different since you've been here.
Yeah, it's changed a bit. They've upgraded and made it a bit prettier since I was here. Yeah, this is her second football field.
Mm-hmm.
Football field number 2. Second one she's ever seen in her whole life. That's pretty weird. My 2 favorite places, where I played football, and Alabama, where we were for the last video. By the way, if you haven't seen the last video, check it out. Check it out. But anyways, let's keep going. Cheers. It was at the front when we came in. Here's the baseball field. That's where I played. Look. See, it says Stratford baseball. Wow, it's bright. That sun. Oh yeah, that's new. Holy cow, that's new. I can't see anything because of the sun. It's terrible.
There's concession stands right here.
Tennis courts down there. Here's the parking lot. Here's the soccer fields. There's a little basketball court, playground. But that's an actual lacrosse field. There's some soccer stadiums up there. When I ran cross country, we were changing this building over here. Soccer field. That's where we would run and shower in the morning. We had practice at 6. I was just feeling kind of like, and so I needed a coffee. I got a cappuccino, and I want to give a shout out to Ina for buying me a coffee. Via my link below, buy me a coffee. Thanks so much, Ina. It really, really means a lot. Your support, it really, really means so much. It just helps us to continue to make videos, to travel, and just show you our life in this beautiful world. So we really are grateful and we appreciate that. If you want to consider also helping out the channel, just scan the QR code right here. It's going to help us to continue to explore these places and just bring you the content. So thank you so much, Ina. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, we just made it back to the Kroger. This is the next stop on the vlog. If you didn't see the Kroger video, I did a full in-depth breakdown of this place. It was actually a different store, but I did the whole thing, like really extensive. So we're here again, standing there.
Wow, they have so many cakes and donuts and cookies. It just doesn't end.
Look at the bread. This is the normal bread. You see? Oh, here's hamburger buns. The common bread. You call this toast in Europe. We call this normal everyday bread. This is what we think of when we think of getting some bread from the store. We're also getting hamburger buns for hamburgers. And yeah, this is stop number 2 of this day of the daily vlog, or of the every couple day vlog. So we're just capturing a bit of the day, and we'll put together a few days, and you can see kind of the real raw, I guess, daily life here in America. This is really what it's like. Yeah, everyone's getting some food after the work day, and then they're heading home. It's about 6 p.m. right now, 6:30. So yeah, this is all the breads right here. As you can see, like we were saying, it's the sliced breads. It's not like the European rolls or the different types like you get at the bakery.
The normal bread.
Yeah, or even the store. It's always the sliced bread. I think you stepped in the camera, bro. Simply the best.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Because you're not doing my short form at all.
Okay.
Yeah, show that to everybody. Yeah, he's not doing his job well. We're gonna get lubenica, watermelon. What else?
So update on the daily vlog today. We just recorded some TikTok, Instagram videos. We've been spending our day with Miss Layla here, and we are gonna get ready soon and go visit my grandparents. And yeah, it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna try some more Southern cooking home, some like homegrown, some more local food. So we're gonna try some really Southern dishes right from the kitchen. It's gonna be a lot, and it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna show you everything, don't worry about that. But yeah, today is going along really nicely. I recorded the video about the grocery store and that whole experience. I showed you literally the ins and outs of everything of an American grocery store. If you're interested in that video, that was vlog number 2, so check it out. Also, by the time you're seeing this video, vlog number 3 is out, which is about the Alabama football game. I took Petra, my European girlfriend from Slovenia, to an Alabama football game. It was her first time ever seeing a football game, and definitely going to a stadium that size. The Alabama stadium holds 101,000 people, and at this game there was 100,000 people in attendance. So it was really an amazing experience. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying these vlogs, and I'm just trying to bring you around just some of the day and the week and how it's going. We're going to be visiting a lot of the stores that aren't common to Europe, such as Walmart, such as restaurants like Chick-fil-A, and all these things. So we're going to bring you all of this content. If you're enjoying the content, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us to continue to produce these videos and just to experience new things and bring you along with us. So let's keep going. Cheers. These two are cuddle buddies right here. These two are cuddle buddies.